you want something that's really cool? Here I have some water. It's got a little food coloring in it so we can see the water easier. And watch what happens when I spin it up. Whoa. Whoa, look at that. The water is forming a parabolic shape and it's actually separating in the middle. So, what the heck is going on? Well, it turns out that the water wants to move in a straight line, but the edge of the tank is pushing inward on it, preventing that from happening. The force required to keep the water still, or in equilibrium, increases as we go out in radius. And that's because as you move in a circle, the further out you are from the edge, the faster you're moving in a straight line. So in the center of the tank, no force is required to keep the water in equilibrium, and so it remains relatively flat. As we go out into the edge, the force gets larger and larger and larger, and so we get this stacking parabolic curve. The force is a quadratic. It increases as a square as we go to the edge. And so that's why we see this shape. The reason it separates is just because there isn't enough water in this tank to cover the whole surface once it gets all the way out to the edges like that. Physics is pretty fun.